for the care for me to save my life on everything what I do. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks. I don't want to change my face. I don't want to change my personality. I don't want, because I know I'm so very very thankful that I have my own beauty that God gave me. Then I don't need to change that who I am, because people appreciate me that who I am. Then who people don't appreciate me, it's okay, because this is me. This is who I am. That's I'm proud to be in me, to be in myself. That I'm so very very proud that who I am. That who I am. That I don't have. I have there my own beauty. That I'm so very very appreciated. And then I don't want everything I can change. No, I don't change my personality, because me, it's only me. Then I don't need to change. People who can appreciate me, I'm so very very thankful. Yeah, 100%. Heads, I tell you something. I'm so very appreciate that who I am. 100%. Super. Super. 100% that I'm so proud that who I am. I'm so proud of my